On a late night in February, police were called to a Walmart in Mount Pleasant, Wisconsin, after employees reported a woman not complying and refusing to leave the store after closing time. The woman had been at the store more than 3 hours and was locked in the restroom after hours. Her behavior and her safety concerned them, and it appeared to them that she was under the influence of drugs. At 11:16 p.m., when officers arrived, they found the woman in the restroom. She became more resistant as officers tried to walk her out of the store and refused to listen to them. It all went badly almost immediately. She resisted arrest and, in the process, hacked at an officer, causing injury in his soft tissue. A staggering amount of drugs, including methamphetamine, heroin, and cocaine, were discovered in her possession. The charges against her suggest.
Hey, man. What you waiting on?
I'm waiting on a ride. I'm trying to get a phone call. We lost the keys to my truck.
Okay.
It's actually my roommate's vehicle.
This one right here?
The pickup truck.
The pickup?
Yeah,
Okay.
truck, so. I'm from Manitowoc, so.
Okay, you work here or no?
No. Like I said, I'm from Manitowoc. We gave a friend a ride down to
A female?
down to Chicago to the airport, and we were on the way back, and my girlfriend, I don't know where the hell she went.
So your girlfriend's inside?
I don't know if she is or not.
Okay.
So, Manitowoc.
Manitowoc?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know if you want my address or.
No, that's fine.
That's fine. Okay. So.
Why don't you, if you want, like, I'm
Well, I was gonna go back. I was just kind of seeing if I didn't know if she was, like I said, I don't know where she went. Like I said, I stood in front of the door before, and so.
yeah, this opens from the inside.
Okay, I didn't know, so.
Are the other two in here?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna see if.
122.
I talked to other one, but there was a guy, I'm sure you guys just saw him, he was trying to get in again. And then there's another lady out at the truck.
Out at a car or
There's
something?
a truck out there, they were standing on.
Okay. So she's the only one that's in the bathroom, or is there two people in the bathroom?
There's just one, but it sounds like about 7 or 8 people. But I'm pretty sure it's just one.
Okay. The bathroom's locked?
No.
Okay.
Once you turn one to the left.
Okay. Thank you.
Dispatch to 143 and 142.
Michelle,
42.
hey.
143 and 142. I need to respond over to Greenbrier, 6016th Street, apartment C4. 17-year-old boyfriend's on scene, broke her door, did some other damage. Right now everything is calm. 6016th Street, apartment C4.
You've been in the bathroom for a long time. That's what happened. They were worried.
Hey, keep your hands in your pockets.
She's getting ready.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. All right.
Grab your ID.
Okay.
Yep.
Wow. Okay. Let me see. Wallet. No, because every time I'm the place, my ride's outside.
Yeah, that's what they
I'm just
said.
getting ready. I have thermals and.
Okay, stop. Listen. Hey, stop.
I'm sorry.
Get your ID out of that little bag right there.
Come on. Sorry about that.
Do you have any weapons on you?
I have my toothpickers.
Okay. Do me a favor.
I promise.
I'm gonna give this to him. Put your hands on this wall for me. I'm gonna pat you down.
Like,
Trevino was found in the restroom on arrival, where she refused to comply, and the physically charges resisted have arrest. Benshee had to struck the several Racine officers, county and district she attorney's was office, taken and into custody.
I'm sorry. Can I have sip?
No.
It's hot as hell. Please.
Okay, put your hands on the wall.
Please. Can I look? Watch me, please.
Michelle, put your hands on the wall.
Okay,
This is the
please.
last time we're going to say
Okay,
it.
please.
Then put your hands on the wall.
Okay, please. I get very exhausted.
Okay, well then you just need to listen and everything will be
I
fine.
have really bad PTSD and anxiety.
So
okay?
keep your hands on the wall.
So with
Or I'm going to put you in handcuffs.
you promise.
Then put your hands on the wall.
Escorting me, please. Please, can I have a witness?
No.
Please.
Nope.
I'm peeing.
Hand.
I'm peeing, I swear to God. Sir, I'm peeing.
Let go.
Help me, please, I'm pissing.
Stop resisting.
Oh my God, no, I'm sorry, I'm peeing. Officer, I'm peeing.
Okay.
Please put me in the toilet.
No, stop.
Oh my God, I'm peeing. Oh my God, please.
Stop. Okay,
I was
listen.
in a really bad car accident.
Okay. Well, you resisting us didn't help that.
We'll be back in to get her stuff.
Please, shoulders!
I get it. Go outside.
Baby, tell him my shoulder! Baby! My shoulder!
I told you, stop fighting.
Ma'am,
Stop spitting.
I'm not trying to. Ma'am, sir, that's my bad shoulder, I swear to God, sir. Sir, please, please. Baby, let him know about my shoulder.
Is there a reason is she being detained under arrest?
We'll figure it out in a little bit.
Like I said, she's got all my cash. Like I said, if I gotta stay in town here, I will. Rochelle, just calm down, sweetheart. Hey, Rochelle.
Go to the
My
ground.
shoulder! My shoulder, baby!
Okay.
Baby! They're hurting my shoulder!
You're hurting your shoulder.
Ah! Ma'am! My shoulder! Ah!
Ma'am,
Ah!
get your hand out of your pocket. Get your hand out of your pocket.
I'm pissing! Ah!
Turn around and stop. Stop! Stop! Okay, you need to stop. You understand
Stop
me?
fighting us.
I can't breathe.
Stop fighting us.
I can't breathe.
22.
Listen, we're gonna have rescue come look at your shoulder. Stop fighting us and it won't hurt.
Okay.
On your
sir,
knee.
Don't kick me, sir. I'm
Well,
trying
listen to what we're telling you.
Stay right there.
Don't bend like you think I bend, okay, sir?
Go ahead, put your other leg on, sit on your butt.
Nobody choked you.
I peed myself really
Yeah, well,
bad.
that's fine.
Is there a way I can get a napkin or something?
Can you
please?
hang on?
Keep your
And
I have
listen.
to put my leg under.
No, you need to keep it where it's at. Well, you
Well, you should
laid
have
in the
thought
snow.
about that.
You pushed me into the snow.
Oh, yeah.
So you guys didn't? Oh my God. I swear you guys were being so rough.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Officer Ramos. How you doing?
My face hurts, sir.
Your face hurts? Okay, cool.
Yes, sir.
Anything else hurts?
My fucking shoulder, they rammed me into a goddamn ground, into a tire and a wall.
1423.
Your shoulder and your head, right?
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Good.
Can I get you out of the
Look
snow?
at my eye.
Okay, can I get you
Yes,
off the snow?
please.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and do that, alright?
Where you get on your...
This is the keys he was looking for that he couldn't find. Supposedly he lost them out here.
Not yet, not yet. Not yet. I'll let you know when I need you to help me, okay? I don't want you to move if everything hurts.
You didn't care when you guys managed.
Well, you were fighting with
And
us. We
then,
had to
dude,
search you.
I told you guys what hurt on me, and you guys still didn't care.
Okay.
Alright, that's all.
Alright, we're gonna scoot
We want to go over there first?
Hold on, we're gonna scoot you over first.
She had some pills in her pocket.
Heroin.
That was that.
That's what she took. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Why don't you lay down over here?
At least you apologize right away.
Alright, come on over
You
here.
gotta scoot over a little bit more. Your head's gotta go up there.
Second, I peed myself when they tackled me down,
asked for
so
her
I'm a
ID.
little wet, sir.
Alright, why don't you give me your hand?
Sorry.
It's okay, it's alright.
I get it clean.
I'll let them know that you need a Kleenex, okay? I need to see this hand, alright? If you keep moving, it's gonna hurt.
There.
Better?
Look, it was stuck sideways in the eye.
Alright.
The drug dealer deserved it.
Really? Where was that at?
Sheboygan, Wisconsin.
Here.
Oh my God.
Look. Here, look. Toya's gonna get you a Kleenex, okay? If you're gonna be okay with us, we'll be okay with you, okay?
Tighten this a little. I said I'm tightening it a little.
That's
What
fine.
are you trying to do?
I'm tightening it.
Here, let me see. You want me to help you? You only got one hand.
I know.
Still extend this.
Do me a favor.
What's what happened with my wrist? My wrist. Oh my God. You know exactly what I'm talking about, right?
Okay, hold your leg up for me.
Safekeeping? Yeah. So basically what that means is I'm gonna hang on to it. When I get back to my police department, I'm gonna put it in evidence. I'm gonna put it in safekeeping. I'm gonna say it can be returned to owner. So if you come back to our police department and say, hey, I wanna pick up my lighter and your knife, you can do that, okay?
Yeah, Dick jumps in the shower and goes.
I know.
Really, really tender.
I know.
Oh my
Look, I'm trying. Look. I know. Look, I'm trying.
Your job was like the easiest to cuff somebody, not today. Ouch. Okay.
You gonna be able to do it with, you want me to let you go? Careful.
The situation ended with Trevino ended up being booked. Some of his actions have caused concern about the amount of force used by officers. Some people asked if the police reaction was right or too much. Given the circumstances with the charges now pending, this incident has raised questions about police conduct and drug-related disturbances. What's your opinion? Did the officers act reasonably, or did the situation escalate unnecessarily? Share your thoughts in the comments below.